I'm Honorable Joseph Olale, nominated MCA on behalf of MDG Party. Today, we are very happy as members of MDG. We are launching a massive grassroots registration for MDG Party membership in Ugenya. We are targeting a population of 10,000 in this constituency to the minimum. After this, we'll embark on countrywide registration from our neighboring constituencies, our Nyanza counties, western counties, and probably even in this coastal region, so that we are very sure and determined that through the leadership of Honorable David Ochieng'S and this government of Kenya Kwanza, the Nyanza are going to get liberation of multi-party democracy, which is the core reason why most of Luo leaders have been fighting for, so that we have a multi-party democracy in Nyanza. A person, you belong to a party of your choice, a party you want, so that we get variety of leaders, because we have several parties. If you have one party, sometimes it prevents getting right leaders who don't know right people on top to get certificates to become leaders. But if you have more parties, you open an avenue to give more people chance to give their mind to get in competition. So in the end, we get right leadership, and especially MDG, we are targeting youth and women, because they are the majority in population in this country. After that population, we'll be able to embark on pushing the agenda of young people and women on a progressive manner. So that we are also requesting our counterparties that we should not politicize this process and associate it with animalize. MDG is a registered political party with an elected party leader in the whole of this region. So we want those other parties also to give us space to do registration out of will, so that we also get our members, so that when competition comes, it becomes free, fair and square, and the majority to win.
Tunaomba hii mambo ya development tukue pamoja kama watu wa Ugenya. Hatutaki kukaa ati watu wa ODM wanakaa kando, watu wa MDG wanakaa kando. Sisi wakaji wa Ugenya tunataka kwa hii mambo ya development tukue kama kitu kimoja.
If you can't defeat them, join them.
Wenka ene wanjo MDG ongewa all over because wajitokezea mo woko urumenya ku bed good listeners modu konyo waticho bumayot ketiko dwaru tusimbe wo date master cheboko which
Marujo madi participate in meeting ma launching it is not very easy ketyan gema dio sebedo inviting you say it manyo
Ochieng'S en wuoyi an kadok piny mulambo piny yoro koso kono yoro to gimomoro en achiel kacha chiegni MCA manokawo telo piny en ODM to kata kalielo tumre
One good project for David Okelo Kakandara, Kaka Factory Malos.
yes